Hello, I'm Ravi Shankar, Head of AI at OceanAI. We are building state-of-the-art solutions across our different software, namely SmartPal, PalNG. We have built multi-agent based solution that spans across modules. Today, I'll be sharing insights among some of the AI developments which we have already undertaken. 2 years ago, AI was a feature conversation, a chatbot here, prediction there. Today, it's an architectural conversation. With OceanAI and Eagle AI, we are building AI as a native layer across maintenance, procurement, crewing, accounts. Direction is agentic, I would say multi-agentic. AI that doesn't just show an insight but drafts requisition, flags the defect, prepare the next step with the human approving, obviously. I would definitely name QDMS AI search. It sounds simple, search your documents, but for a master, for a chief engineer at sea or a superintendent at shore, it means asking a plain English language question or question in any languages, getting the right answer with the source attached. That saves time, but more importantly, it reduces the risk of acting on an outdated procedure. In maritime, that's not just productivity, that's safety. AI-readiness is not about models, it's about data. Can we get clean, current, well-governed data out of our system and back in the system safely? That means fresh data marts, consistent access control, trusted schemas, reliable write back. We are ahead on capability and we are deep in the harder foundation work now. Anyone who says that they are fully AI equipped, AI ready is probably overselling it. No, that's the wrong framing. Maritime depends on human judgment in a messy, high-stakes conditions. AI is not replacing a chief engineer or a superintendent. What it can replace is the busy work around them. Duplicate data entry, document hunting, manual reporting. The goal is simple: less paperwork, more judgment. That's the test I use for every product. A seafarer should not enter the same data 3 times. AI should pre-fill what the system already knows. A superintendent shouldn't read 50 reports to find the 3 vessels that need attention. AI should surface those expectations. If AI saves money but makes the crews stay harder, it will fail basically. Good maritime AI reduces friction for the person doing the job. I would say 3 things: connectivity, consequences, and domain depth. Vessels operate with limited bandwidth, so system must work offline or they must degrade gracefully. The cost of a wrong answer is high because this is safety critical, regulated and audited environment. And the domain is deeply specific. We have SFI codes, class rules, MARPOL, IMO conventions, charter party terms. A generic model doesn't know a scavenge fire from a let's say crank safe fire. The hard part is not just AI, it's maritime intelligence. Freshness and trust. A lot of maritime data still moves through data marts with delays. If AI is making a procurement or finance recommendation on still stock levels or vessel cost, that's dangerous. We are solving this through real-time delta streaming, stronger access control and better data mining across the pipeline. It's not glamorous, but it's where the real moat is. They buy tools before fixing data and processes. They end up with 5 systems that don't talk to each other. Then they hope that AI will fix the gaps. It won't. The better approach is focused. Pick one module where the pain is really and the data is reachable. prove value there, then expand. Transformation works when it compounds from solid wins. Definitely agentic AI across modules. Today, most AI answers questions. The next step is AI that contains multi-step workflow. Sees a defect, checks spare part stock, draft the requisition, flag the budget impact, and send it for the approval. That's what we are building toward with Eagle AI. AI that carries work from signal to action, with humans obviously still in control. I would say yes, two things. First, the fully autonomous crewless ship, it makes good headlines. But the regulatory, safety, liability reality is much further out. Second, the idea that you can just drop in a generic LLM and be done. In Maritime, a generic model without clean data governance, domain context will be confidently wrong. And confidently wrong is dangerous here. The real value is specific, governed, and deeply maritime.